Good morning. Today we're going to look at changing equation from vertex form to standard form. And basically, if you remember how to multiply polynomials from previous courses, this should be an easy day. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to convert it from vertex form into standard form. So you'll be given the equation on the top, and we're going to the equation on the bottom. Okay, so here are the steps. We're going to FOIL the polynomial, then we're going to distribute the coefficient, and then we're going to combine like terms. By the way, this is page 11. Sorry, this is page 11 in your notes. So page 11 in your notes. Okay, sorry, I didn't start there. Okay, so we're going to FOIL the polynomials, and these steps are written at the top of page 11. We're going to FOIL the polynomial, distribute the coefficient, and combine like terms. All things that you... All right, so given this graph, let's just kind of review vertex and axis of symmetry. So our axis of symmetry is x equals -2. Remember, it's the opposite of what's in the parenthesis. And then it's the same as the outside number. So it's opposite same, so we get -2, -3, where our axis of symmetry is x equals -2. Now, first step is to FOIL x plus 2 squared. So remember, x plus 2 squared can be written as x plus 2 times x plus 2. So recall from previous math, or if you are familiar with the box, use the box, but it's x times x. And then x times 2, and then 2 times x, and then 2 times 2. Okay, we combine like terms, we get x squared plus 4x plus 4. But I can't forget about what I started with. Remember, I started with that -3 in the original, so I have to... well, first of all, I'm distributing because it's multiplied by 1. It doesn't change anything. And then I have to subtract 3. And my final answer is x squared plus 4x plus 1. Why am I subtracting 3? Because in the original equation, it was x plus 2 squared minus 3. All right, let's do the next one. Again, my axis of symmetry is going to be x equals 3. My vertex is 3, 2. Remember, it's opposite same. I don't mention this here, but since it's being multiplied by 2, my parabola is going to be skinnier because of the 2. All right, so we're going to start by doing x minus 3 squared, which is x minus 3 times x minus 3. We multiply that, we get x times x times -3, -3 times x, and -3 times -3, which is +9. Now, after collecting those like terms, I get x squared minus 6x plus 9. Now I need to distribute the 2. Once I've distributed the 2, I have to add the original 2 from the beginning, the plus 2 that was there. And that's my final answer. Let's do another one. Our axis of symmetry is going to be x equals 1. Our vertex, remember, it's opposite same. So 1, -2. Now, we are multiplying x minus 1 squared. Again, it's x times x, -1 times x, -1 times x, and -1 times -1 is +1. Combining like terms. Now we're going to distribute the -3. And then we're going to subtract 2. And that's our final answer. Okay, now I want you to complete problems D through F, and the answers will be posted. Pause this and then you'll see the answers. And your homework assignment, I think because we did, your homework assignment is actually page 12 and just the top of page 12. So it's 4 problems at the top of page 12. That is your homework. So here are the answers. And your homework is day 4 homework, which is on the top of page 12. Top of page 12. Okie dokie. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. I look forward, well, actually, I'll see you on Thursday. But miss you guys, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.